But it was cool how he was doing it.
Yo, he was slick.
He's like, wait.
Who was doing this?
Nate.
Gino's friend. You'll see him at the. He's in the window.
Who's the best man?
He's Facility.
Oh, Facility. I'm a compare. I'm sorry.
He's 23 years. I'm sorry.
What are you talking about?
He's 23.
He's cute though.
He's 23. And he's a pastor's son too. Child. Yeah. But he's really nice though.
Yeah, but like
be quiet.
you did.
Rebecca? Whatever. You too?
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
He was cute, but I didn't like him. Isn't there a difference between liking and thinking somebody's cute?
No, I thought he was cute.
Gelly?
That's it.
Gelly, isn't there a big difference in that, Gelly?
I don't know what do you mean?
This is nice.
You can just think somebody's cute, but you don't like them.
Exactly.
Like, oh, he's cute.
You would think that. This is a rented DVD and binary. You have to pay.
Okay, let me take a picture of you.
No, it's recording.
It's recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Why are you recording, Gelly? Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that was slick. That was so slick.
Gelly,
so slick.
Is there a difference between liking and thinking somebody's cute?
Rebecca,
Yeah.
show your face.
Thank you.
I
I
can
think
just zoom
that
in,
was pretty,
baby.
but I don't like it. I'm just playing.
I can zoom in.
Be quiet.
Move, Deborah.
No, it's not your bed.
I'm zooming in.
Oh my god.
Yeah, get up.
So you're under your hair is still so
I mean, we for so long.
You're the one that chose not to get a perm last time.
Everybody with the camera does that to me.
Because you're always hiding. Oh my gosh, I'm sick of this.
This is Deborah.
Hello.
With the sheep on her.
Stop! Stop, look at her hair. Her undergirls are messy.
And this is Rebecca, 2 days before her graduation.
She's so mean.
In 2 more days, you will see
Rebecca, show your face.
You will see this beautiful young lady. Although she is beautiful now, she's going to be even more sexified, functified,
show your face right
sanctified.
now.
Deborah?
Ow!
I'm not hurting you.
Yes, you are. So.
This is the sisterly love.
Deborah.
Where's my Daniel? Where's my Daniel?
She's eating my back.
Why are you snapping your fingers?
It hurts when I do that. Well, like,
Why are you snapping your fingers?
the pain took
It's going to be so funny when I replay this.
Alright, Galen, please. Let's go,
And, yeah. Those are my students.
Yeah.